Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to receive money on Wise using email. It's important to clarify how Wise uses email in money transfers. Wise doesn't function like a traditional email money transfer system where funds are directly embedded in an email. Instead, Wise uses email to facilitate the process, particularly when the sender doesn't have the recipient's full bank details. Here's a breakdown of how Wise uses email in receiving money. 1. Wise allows users to make their profiles discoverable by email or phone number. This means that if someone wants to send you money through Wise, they can find you by your email address. If a sender doesn't have your bank account details, they can initiate a transfer using your email address. Wise will then send an email to you, the recipient, with instructions on how to securely provide your bank details. This ensures that sensitive bank information is shared securely within the Wise platform, not directly through email. Now let's get down to the process. The sender has to enter your email address into the Wise platform. Then Wise will send an email to your address with a secure link. You, the recipient, click the link and securely enter your bank account details within the Wise platform. Wise processes the transfer and the funds are deposited into your account. Key points: security. Wise prioritizes security. The email is primarily used to initiate the process and directs you to a secure platform for providing your data details. Discoverability settings. You can control whether your Wise profile is discoverable by email or phone number in your account settings. Where to find definitive information. Always refer to the official Wise Help Center for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.